fresh details, viewers. Now, the latest details, viewers, are that about just how quickly the alleged murder at Lohagarh Fort was carried out. According to police sources, Chetan Chaudhary spent less than 10 minutes at the top of the fort and completed his entire ascent and descent in under 50 minutes. Investigators say this tight window is now a key part of the timeline they're building against Chaudhary and his alleged accomplice Sia Goel in the murder of Pune realtor Ketan Agarwal. You know, Shweta, the point, all right, I'll come back to my colleague very shortly. Now, NewsX has now visited the exact scene of the crime on the top of Lohagarh Fort. Let's take a look.
Case has gone murkier day by day. How initially reported as an accidental death report eventually turns out to be a cold-blooded murder. In fact, NewsX team is reporting exclusively from the ground zero, and you can see the Lohagarh Fort here. Remember, as the CCTV footage we have access for our viewers, we have seen that how Chetan Chaudhary allegedly was walking through this wearing a hoodie, and he was masking his face so that no one can recognize him. Apart from this, this is the place, the crucial point, in fact, where through the CCTV grab, the police started their suspicion, and they suspected a foul play where in summer heat, where a boy wearing hoodie was walking towards this, leaving his phone behind so that the digital trail cannot be found. As we move ahead, we'll also show you the Pune police is rightly present over here with the forensic team, of course, and the crime scene recreation would happen shortly. But clearly, as we proceed, we tell you about this is one of the historic places in Maharashtra, and daily basis we see thousands of people, they do pay their visit here. But as we speak, we'll just quickly move ahead and show you how exactly did Chetan Chaudhary, Sia Goel and Ketan Agarwal move from this particular place, and they were captured in the CCTV camera. In fact, remember, as we move ahead, there comes a particular point where Ketan Agarwal was allegedly pushed by Sia Goel and Chetan Chaudhary in order to end his life so that their path for future remains good. With video journalist Sanjay, this is Shweta for News.